Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set custom notification sound in Samsung Galaxy A16. If you're using A16 and now you want to set your custom notification sound, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you just have to open My Files app and here just select audio files to open all of your audios. Once you have that, just select the file. In my case, I'm going to select this one. Just keep a long press on this. Then tap on this move option. Then select internal storage. Then look for notification folder here. Just select that. Then tap on move here. Once you have that, now go for settings. Go for sound and vibrations. Then select notification sound. And you will get your notification sound here. You can easily select that from here. So that's how you can easily set your custom notification sound in any Samsung phone or in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.